Our target sound is man. The key sentence is, some men like to climb in summer and in autumn. Remember, the key sentence shows us different ways we can spell the sound. Some men like to climb in summer and in autumn. Do you notice that sometimes you can spell the sound with one letter, and sometimes you can spell it with two letters? Some. Men. Climb. Summer. Autumn. Here are the 4 most common ways we spell me, summer, autumn, some. I'm going to read you some words that have the sound with pictures. Listen for the sound and see how it's spelled. Moon, hammer, swimming, hammock, lamb, autumn, climb, comb, storm, mat, mom, mailbox.